for disabled.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also a consultant for CORD NGO,
Mm.
which is dealing with a lot of skill development issues in Hyderabad.
Okay, Kiranam, Kiranam, is it Kiranam?
Yeah, Kiranam.
Kiranam. Okay. And these disabled people, how old are they?
They are school children basically.
School children. Okay.
Yeah, school
Hmm.
children. School children.
What about adults, 18 years and above?
There are a couple of students who keep coming to the school even after they have crossed 18 because they are MR special children.
Hmm.
So they keep coming to the school who have crossed 18 also.
So those who are crossed 18 are all special children, is it?
Yeah. Everybody is special children. This school is for special children.
No, no. When you say, see, there is a different, I'm disabled is different and special is
Yeah,
different.
yeah. Special. These are special children. I'm talking about special
Yeah,
children.
yeah. They are not supposed to be called as mentally and all those things. That was the earlier
Mentally,
word. Now they are not
yeah,
supposed to
yeah.
be called that way. That way.
Especially
So,
challenged children.
specially challenged children. Okay.
Yeah,
So that.
yeah.
So what do they do? Adults, what do they do after 18 years? What do they do?
I mean, some of them we have taught them the basic life skills like setting up a phone booth or a telephone, center or Xerox copy center or something like that.
Hmm.
So at least you know, at least some of those who have some little life skills can manage with little training. But there are children who cannot do even the small kind of jobs, and
Hmm.
that is a problem.
So what the Xerox shops and Xerox shop and all those things? What kind of earnings they can see?
Maybe monthly, daily 100 rupees, 200 rupees, something like that.
Hmm. And what about investment? Investment.
Investment, it will if you go for a second hand Xerox machine, it will cost you around 15,000, 18,000, something like
How do they get the funding for that?
that. We tried with some donors,
Ah.
and we also got some from government also to
Hmm.
set up some shops, kirana shop or something like
Okay, but that will cost overall. If you set up a shop, if you set up, uh, you
that.
know,
In the house, basically paper making unit, paper covers, training, and
so in their
candle
own
make
house, they can do. But
in their house. Yeah.
Xerox for that you need a commercial space.
Space.
Otherwise,
So
people will not
their
know.
parents,
Hmm.
correct. But I'm also working with CORD NGO,
Hmm.
which is slightly bigger NGO with a lot of CSR funding, and
Hmm.
they have a lot of schools, training centers, and all those things.
Hmm.
And they have lot. I mean, over 1,000 students. I can say. I mean, from slums and this thing. They are being provided with education, skill development, and all these things.
Okay, very
Yeah.
nice. Good. So, how old is your NGO?
Ours is we started in 96, 96.
Okay, and you have been generally getting funds from government or
We, we, we get a grant from government. There is a disabled department, welfare, and we get a grant from the government.
okay. Have you tried digital fundraising and all that? Have you tried?
No, we have not tried
You have not tried at
digital.
all. Okay.
Yeah.
Amrut, what about your NGO activities? Can you brief about your NGO activities?
Yeah,
Yeah.
ours it's mainly into like development of underprivileged. Like mainly, basically now we do activities in Wayanad,
Hmm.
Kerala.
Hmm.
So we have a farm. The
Hmm.
trust has a farmland, like it's
Hmm.
leased for land, and
Hmm.
there they're carrying out like some activities where the underprivileged, especially women, all those things, they can work there and they can have a livelihood from there. That's the
Hmm.
main trust activity that we are doing. And now we are planning to expand for some two projects, one in Mysore and one in Wayanad, like a bigger project. Like the entire cost of both the places together, it's coming to around 25 CR.
Okay.
So maybe in another, that's in another 5 or 6 years we are planning. So initial
Uh,
steps we have started, just
hmm.
initial acquisitions, all those things just started this year. That's the main activity which we are planning on. hours. It's 6-year-old. Till now, it's like small activities, like maybe some like livelihood for few hundred people. All those things we are like we could manage till now. That's what we were doing, but now we are scaling it up. That's the main thing we are doing.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. So you have all the ATG, 12A and all those things, or it too?
Sorry.
ATG, 12A and all that is there?
Yeah, it is there.
It is there.
ATG, all the certificates, even FCRA we have.
Even FCRA you have. Okay.
FCRA.
When did you obtain FCRA?
FCRA we obtained 3 years back. 3 years back.
3 years back. Okay.
Foreign contribution was there last year, but not that big. But contribution was there.
Ah, okay. Right.
In few lakhs.
Okay. So Anil Kumar ji.
Yeah, namaste, sir.
Namaste, namaste. So Anil Kumar, where are you from? Which part of country you are from?
I am from Hyderabad, sir.
And what NGO activities you have?
Actually, we started with slum kids feeding program. Now we have an orphanage.
Okay. How many kids are there?
50 kids, 25 boys and 25 girls.
Okay. You manage them.
Yes,
you manage,
yes.
You provide them shelter, education, food, medical assistance, everything.
Everything, yes.
Okay. Orphanages, they have single parent or they don't have parents at all?
Actually, these children are CNCP children.
Okay.
Whoever is in need of care and protection, whether they have parents or not, whoever sent by the CWC, we are taking them.
Okay. Okay. So you are funded by them also?
No, they are not funding. Only they are sending the children and giving rules and regulations.
Oh, okay. So how do you manage your funds then?
Mainly, we are rising in kind. People come for birthday celebrations and they see our work and they give. Mostly we are getting only in kind. 2 of my friends who are supporting for house rents and salaries. But now due to this COVID, they lost their jobs. And people, those who are coming, they are only helping us with the kind donations, but especially for the rents and salaries and other expenses, we are not getting any money.
Okay. Right. So how about your ATG, 12A and all that?
80s is 12A in under process. Earlier we applied and they have not given because they demanded some bribe. I told I don't have that much amount. And this time also stopped at that stage.
Achha. How old is, I mean, how many months over after submitting the application?
It is under process actually, 8 months over, but it is there till March of this year. They extended the period.
Actually, generally they take about 6 months time to approve or reject.
Yeah, due to this COVID, they extended till
yeah, that is
31st March.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So Susan.
Yes, sir.
Susan, yeah, just your background. Where are you from? What is your NGO activity?
So we are from Chennai, sir. Actually, we are from Chennai, and we are from Everyside Foundation, and we'll be doing under this awareness program for all women empowerment and educational activities, all those stuffs. And I already sent the details also to the vouchers.
Yeah, right. Correct.
These are the things, and we started in the month of February. Once we registered that, the next month onwards, the Corona lockdown has started. So even due to the lockdown, we just distributing the foods to the street people who are staying in the streets.
So not much of an activity.
Yes, sir. That's the reason we just want to come and attend this.
Okay, right. Great, wonderful. And I think more or less all the newcomers, one more person is supposed to come. I think he has not come. I think we will start the session now. Yeah, nice meeting you all. So I'll be now pulling out my PowerPoint presentation. Please note down all the important points. And primarily what I'm wanting to tell you is that there is funds available. Funds are available in plenty. Okay. Corona, no corona, is not an issue. So long as you are able to expose your activities in front of the donors. So where are the donors available? You don't know. Where they are available, you don't know. Nobody knows. But they are all available there. They are all available in one particular media, which is social media. Okay, they are very strongly available. They are very much available in Facebook. They are very much available in LinkedIn. Okay, and they are also available in Twitter handles. Okay. These three are very, very important, world, I would say, because the entire donor world are sitting in these three places, three locations. The same person is also available in LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. So if you are active in any one particular media itself is good enough. If you are very strong in Facebook itself is enough. That will give you enough money. But you need to know where to go, how to expose your activities, which place you should go and park yourself, how do you communicate with them, what kind of activities you need to show them, how do you show them. These are the important points. Okay. So we have with us most successful. Before I come to that person, I would like to ask the newcomers, all of you, Susan, Amrut, Mohan, Sharaf, and Anil Kumar, right? You have been in the group for some time, right? I think Amrut Mohan is the latest, right? You are the latest. I think you are there for about 2-3 days, right? Okay. And Sharaf, you have been there for quite some time, right, Sharaf? Yeah, right. Susan, you also have been there for quite some time, right? Or you are also recent?
Please unmute.
Yeah. You are not able to this thing? No, I have. You have the option of unmuting. You want me to mute all or unmute all?
Unmute, sir. Unmute. I think that mic is showing a mute for Susan also.
But I have given the option of unmuting.
Okay.
You can unmute.
I think she can speak.
Can you hear me, sir, now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah.
How long you have been in the group?
Past 2 days, sir.
Okay. Amrut Mohan, how long you have been there in the group?
4 days. 4 days.
Okay. Anil Kumar?
4 days.
Okay. Anil Kumar?
4 days.
More than 2 weeks.
More than 2 weeks. Sharaf?
I think it is more than 2 weeks, I guess. Yeah.
More than 2 weeks. Okay. Yeah. So Sharaf and Anil Kumar, you can tell me how these 2 weeks have been for you in the group. Did you watch Did you watch the messages? Did you go through all that? Were you observing what is happening there?
Yes. I have been observing. As in, lot of people are able to raise their needs. And people are raising money also. That's what I don't know.
How they are raising?
How they are rising, I don't know.
You will know. That is why you have come here. You will come to know.
How much ever we humbly present, because many people come to celebrate their birthdays with our kids here. How much ever, whatever the way we present our needs, they will give only whatever they want to give, they will give. We have plenty of stationery lying with us because they think that is the great contribution they can do to us. In kind, we are okay with the food materials and pencils, sweaters, blankets, all those things. When it comes to the salary, house rent, those things, they are not at all keeping in. Even electricity bill, they are not interested in paying.
Last year balance sheet was how much for you?
Last year it was, you're talking of, my friends were helping, it was 24 lakhs.
24 lakhs you have done? Somehow.
Yes.
Somehow you have done. Right.
Yes.
That's a good one. And without ATG and 12A.
Yeah, but the problem is, it is the money was given by our own friends who are actually our honorary board members. It is their contribution now, which is not available. That's where I'm struggling.
Okay.
Yeah.
But anyway, last year balance sheet has been 24 lakhs. How come you did not apply for ATG 12A and all that? Is surprising. Anyway, I think you said that you applied. Yeah, you applied, but they did not give.
Applied. They demanded 3 lakhs bribe.
Wow.
Which was not available with us.
My God.
So I said no, because our friends, they work and they give money, so I don't want to use that money.
I got my ATG and 12A for 5,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. Arup has got ATG and 12A for nothing, for zero. Yeah. No, I don't think he paid anything.
Yes. Some people are lucky to get.
Yeah. You need.
But when they look at my balance sheet, they are asking more money.
That's a mistake that you did. That is a mistake you did. Yeah. Because you know why? Because 24 lakhs, I know 30% of that is how much?
24 lakh, 30, it is 8 lakhs.
You are supposed to give 8 lakhs to the government.
Yeah.
That is tax, because you don't have ATG or 12A. So you are supposed to pay tax for that, for the income that has come.
Yeah.
That is why they are demanding 3 lakhs. You should not show that certificate.
Okay.
Because when ATG 12A is not there, right? You can even show only 2 months. 2 months active. You can say that you are present yourself that you've just started.
Yeah.
2 months ago. Then the demand and all will be lesser, and in some places they will give it free also.
Yeah. For some people they give free also because they don't have much expertise.
Yeah, and the CA who is did the IT person ask you directly or the CA asked you?
No, the income tax main director only asked directly.
Directly he asked, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Actually, generally these CAs ask. They know that you are saved so much of money.
Yeah.
They will try to extract at least 50% of that.
Yeah.
So that's why they asked you 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is the right figure that they have asked you.
Yeah.
Based on your 24 lakhs turnover. Yeah. Supposing you had shown only 2 lakhs turnover, okay, they would not have asked more than 10,000, 20,000 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So anyway, now it's a lesson learned. This time the first lesson that you have learned is this time when you are going to go to a different IT commissioner office. Okay.
Yes.
In Hyderabad, there are at least 2-3 IT commissioner office.
No, only one commissioner office for Orissa, Andhra, and Telangana.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's the problem.
But in Bangalore, I've got four places. I can go to 2-3 places.
Yeah, but that is not there here in Hyderabad.
No, I think we need to find out. There must be some option out.
Now the new commissioner has come up. He's not looking at your papers. He's only looking at your money, how much you are going to give him.
The new IT person.
Yeah.
Okay.
New commissioner.
Inform TV9 and go to him.
No, they know whom to block, whom not to. Because in the entrance itself, they have a scanning system. They are seeing all our documents and only allowing the person who applied.
Achha. Good. Very nice. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Coming back to this fundraising part. Okay. People who have observed are seeing that, somehow these people are able to raise money and all that. And how is it possible? Okay. Now today you will learn But you try to understand from, our friend, good friend Arup Sengupta, who is the most successful NGO after my workshop. The first NGO who has actually become self-sustainable, because I have a dream of making around 10,000 NGOs self-sustainable. That is why I am on a mission to conduct these workshops, make as many NGOs as possible become self-sustainable. Okay, in that process, Arup Sengupta was the first person to get inside my workshop. Along with him, some 3-4 people also had come at that time. Those people are still there with us, like Teresa. Then we have Dr. Rajesh Kalam. Then Mahesh Parmeshwaran. Mahesh was second batch. The first batch we had Anant Kumar. All these people are still there, okay, with us. But he is the only person who was able to implement and then succeed. And now he is very, very comfortable, very happy. He is very happy. But in 3 years, last 3 years, he was struggling. Last year, he was even breaking his FDs and all that. Okay, and to manage his NGO. And he is a great social worker. But he was doing all wrong things. Okay, all wrong things he was doing. Like you are doing some wrong things now, which I will correct you. Okay. Now you will know in this program, 3 days program, you will know that you are doing some mistakes, and you will actually change your approach and all that. So he then corrected himself, and the rest is history. So let us listen to him for some time, because it will inspire all of us. Okay. Yeah, Arupji, over to you.
Yeah. So first of all, happy New Year to each one of you. God bless you. I found Sridhar by accident. I was browsing through the internet, Facebook, which I do. I'm 24/7 on social media. And I found a very handsome personality's photograph. And then I said, okay, he's Mr. Sridhar, and he's going to, give us funds for NGO. So I said, okay, this guy must take, and I'll tell you two things. And this is applicable because I've been in corporate for 46 years. I'm a psychologist by profession. What appealed to me was a very simple, but a very aggressive photograph. When I say simple, it's very aggressive because it draws you. It draws you, And I said, okay, fine, I'll apply. And on the very first day, he showed all of us his balance sheet. And I found, it was in crores. And I still remember those figures, which he'll tell you. I said, I must do it, right? The only disadvantage is I'm 70 years old, and I think he's somewhere in the early 50s, if I'm not pulling his leg, so early 50s, right? But he has a 20-year head start. He narrated his story, and I found that his story tallies with me. But what is it that he is doing that I'm not doing? And then the 3 days opened my eyes. In fact, today, he will open your eyes. And if y'all are very honest, see, there is a question of being honest to yourself. And if you can finish all the homework he gives you today, for today, and don't get into, procrastination, leave it for tomorrow, trust me, money will start coming in from day after tomorrow. It happened to me. He showed 11 slides. He will not show it all in one day. He'll show various slides. Those slides then showed me where I was going wrong. You see, I'm a corporate man. I've been a vice president, Airtel Africa. So I thought I know everything. He literally gave me 2 slaps by saying, Charlie, look, you may know everything, but you don't know NGO. And absolutely, that's why I call him today. He's so young, I call him Guruji, because he gave me 2 slaps. And Guru Dakshina, first he gave me 2 slaps, opened my eyes. And the first 3 slides which he showed me, I then found that I was very active in the field, but I was zero in the digital space. There are 2 things that happen. One is an activity which you do on the ground, for which I was taking 1,000 photographs. I'm a professional photographer myself. But digitally, I didn't know where to put it except Facebook. That there were other areas. So this is what he taught me in the first day. 3 slides he showed on day 1. I still remember those 3 slides. It opened me up, and I stayed awake till 2 o'clock in the morning doing those homework, and I sent him a message saying that I've just completed. I think he was asleep because he generally sleeps very late. And the next day I followed up. The third day I got 68,000 rupees from unknown people. See, one is you get payments, Susan, from known people, right? These was absolute strangers and I didn't know them. And I put it up on Facebook that I've received funds from, and I don't know who they are. 68,000 has come to me from 3 people. And if you're one of them, please inbox so I can send you ATG. The next day, Sridhar saw that and he said, Arup, you're on the right track. At least you're acknowledging transparently that A, you got money, B, you're putting it up on Facebook and telling those particular donors, and you're being very honest, right? Now, every day, and I mean every day, I do activities. I have a wonderful team, and those activities are posted. They are posted across Facebook. And Sridhar, you missed out Instagram, if I may add on to your thought process.
Yeah,
Instagram is the other one because it belongs to Facebook.
It belongs to
And
Facebook.
And I'm getting much more, exciting things in this thing, Instagram and Twitter.
Yes.
They go far deeper.
Yes.
And Instagram is a photography storytelling. Yes. Facebook is a writing storytelling. So Facebook, this thing, Instagram, 10 photos or 3 videos, and you're open to the world.
Yes.
Yeah, there are no privacy settings. So it goes deep, 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 deep everywhere else. So Sridhar, just adding to what you were saying, sir, that Instagram is the other platform, which is very important.
Yes.
And to all my friends, in fact, Sridhar has to tell me how to please calm down, calm down. I'm very aggressive when I don't see people posting what we are seeing. Today, Sridhar is on a mission to make 10,000 NGOs flourish, right? No one will flourish if they don't listen to Guruji. If I've done good work and I'm not showcasing it, then we are not learning in the group. And that personality is being very selfish. So it's not helping Mr. Sridhar's cause of 10,000 NGOs coming in. And it's a very deep thought. You know, I don't think a lot of us understand it. I'm looking after 1,200 families. He has a beautiful name for his NGO, which he'll share. Okay, it's wonderful. I have a similar thought process that no one should sleep hungry at night. I look after 1,200 families, which are sex worker children, and Sundarban widows. And both of us are absolutely mad that we need 10,000 NGOs to conquer the food poverty of India. If we 10,000 do what Sridhar is telling us to do, trust me, 60,000 children will not die per day. So over to you, Sridhar sir.
Thank you.
Because
thank you. Yeah, that was very
this month I've set a target for 7 lakhs. I've set a target for 7 lakhs. I got 11 lakhs last month.
Now you just have to tell a few things. What was your first year balance sheet figures? What was your second year?
My first year balance sheet, I struggled. It was, I think, 1,90,000 or let's say 2 lakhs. My second year was 3.5 lakhs, right? The third year balance sheet, because I met him in August. So my third year balance sheet closed in March 2020, right? So that was showing about 5.5 lakhs. Right now, I am on a 52 lakh and I still have 3 months to go. January, February, March for the corporate world are the biggest months for CSR because I looked after CSR in Airtel. And I've already put it in a message today, I think Q4, which means Q4, which is Jan, Feb, March, are the biggest CSR months because they have leftover money and they have to finish it or they are answerable to their chairmen. Right?
Right.
And month on month, I tell him this is what I'm going to do and I challenge myself. He gives me tips on how to do it. Once he sees what I'm trying to do, he then constantly online, he doesn't do anything offline. Online, he keeps telling me, do this. This is fantastic. Do that. Have you thought about this? So all my friends who are new and my old friends also, just do what he tells you. Don't go beyond that. Don't go beyond that, because whatever he tells you to do, you don't have to spend 1 rupee. You don't have to spend 1 rupee. You don't have to make videos. You don't have to do fancy things, just simple thing, and just listen to him. And it's going to make your life very easy, because he's a very simple personality. I now know him for about 7 months, so proud to know him. So God bless. Just let's keep listening. And as Sir says, I'm always there to help you all. Like Ankush, I can see him in red. I'm wearing my official color, although I'm in Banaras on a holiday. I'm wearing my uniform because I'll not come to Sridhar without a uniform. Where I love my NGO so much. So God bless. Take care. Sridhar sir, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'm here for 3 days. He's invited me for 3 days.
Yes, yes.
So I'm going to.
Yes. He's
Yeah.
there. He's going to be there on and off. I'll be calling him. So, so he will be on and off, coming and contributing whenever I need him. I'll ask him to come. All right. See what I was saying, that he is last year balance sheet was the only one slightly better, but there also he struggled actually. He struggled by breaking his FD and all that.
2.5 lakhs I broke.
Yeah, he broke that. Now this year he's talking about 52 lakhs, and these 52 lakhs, when do you think he got it? From August. August was the month he met me. August was the time that he went through this workshop, and between August to December, this is his fundraising activity. All those people who are donating to him were there earlier also. Okay, they were there earlier also, but they were not able to. They were not aware what he was doing, how he was, what kind of work he was doing. He never used to showcase. So he is a very living example that should actually give you confidence that yes, if I follow these steps, what I am telling now, you are going to definitely see similar kind of activities. Because Ankush is another example. He started following him. See, look at Ankush.
Corona patient.
Yeah.
Corona patient.
Unfortunately, twice he has been hit by COVID-19. From the time he joined us, he was from the second batch. Okay. And he always says, the second batch, I still remember his statement. He said, for the first time in my life, right, for the 3 days, he was very attentive. And he has attended so many seminars in the past. He has never been attentive at all, because none of the seminars he liked it. Okay, all the seminars he used to feel drowsy, it seems. But my webinar was the only one which he was constantly coming every day, and all the 3 days he was there. And thereafter, unfortunately, he fell sick. 2 months he was out of action.
2 months. 2
2
months.
months he was out of action. Then after 2 months, he was very active in group. Okay, he took up my 12-month program. Subsequently, after the workshop, you will know what is my 12-month program. I'll tell you on the last day. He took my 12-month program, but he was sick. He never contributed. Then after that, he came back, bounced back and simply followed. I just told him, you don't ask me anything. Just keep going to Arup. Whatever Arup is doing, do the same thing there. Right from his uniform also, he has copied. And he is seeing success because he copied him. He is seeing success. He's simply duplicating what he is doing. So because he's duplicating him, he is getting the same kind of results, but not as fortunate enough as Arup, because Arup had a network of people already, and he was already present in the social media for a long time. But whereas in this case, he came only new. Only after August, he came to know that about all this Facebook, then Twitter and all those things. He came to know only then. Then only he started, building his page, and then building his activities. So it takes time, when you put the foundation and then on top of it, you start constructing, it takes little time. Whereas in his place, it was already constructed. All that he had to do was to shape it up properly. His requirement was only shaping up. And he, for his luck, fortunately, he came to me at the right time. So when I presented, he was just able to shape it up properly because he was already doing many things. And he segregated all that unwanted things and all that. He deleted every one of them and started focusing on 2-3 projects. Okay, and that has given him results. Okay. So,
Sridhar, I'll just cut you. Sorry. It is because of Mr. Sridhar. From August, all the adulation I'm getting in news media, I'm being featured on NDTV daily at 9 o'clock. Prannoy Roy is talking to me. You must have seen it.
yes.
It is because of Guruji. Because this, I've been doing all this 3 years featured. I'm now being featured because I'm doing something correct.
Correct.
And that something correct is because of Guruji there. Getting featured at 9 o'clock prime time news is not a joke.
Yes.
It's not a joke when Prannoy Roy talks about me. And again, yesterday, day before yesterday, and on third, again, they're repeating it. So, Guruji, hats off, salam, and it's all because of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now you take over. I just wanted to say this.
Yeah. So great. So now let me take you to my slides. So introduction part of it is over already. So let's look at the NGO's health check, right? You need to take a screenshot of this. Okay, please take a screenshot of this and see what you don't have in this. Let's look at whether you have a website or not. Okay, do you have a payment gateway? Do you have a Facebook account? Do you have a YouTube channel? Do you have a savings account in the name of NGO? Do you have ATG 12A FCRA? Are you a trust society section 8 company? Do you have a donor base? Do you have any donor base, existing donor base? Do you have? If you don't have any of these things, any one of these things, you are handicapped. You are actually physically challenged now. So you need to make sure that if you want to be healthy, right, you need to have all these things. So if you don't have any of these things, I would not say that you need FCRA today. You don't require FCRA now, but you definitely need ATG and 12A. Okay. Same way, you don't require, you don't have to be a society or a section 8 company. Even if you're a trust, it is fine. Okay. Trust is very easy formation. Okay. It's fine. YouTube channel, Facebook account, payment gateway, website. These are very crucial. These are very crucial. Are you there? Are you all having this? Amrut, you are having. Anil, you are having. Yeah, can you unmute and speak? Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir. I have most of these things apart from ATG and 12A.
You have a website, right? You have a website.
I have a website, payment gateway, Facebook account, YouTube channel. I have a current account, and 12A ATG I don't have. Trust is registered, and we have some local donors.
Right. Susan,
Yes.
what about you? What all you don't have in this? Susan? Yeah, please unmute. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, please unmute. Please unmute, Susan.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So I don't have any.
You have two devices. You have logged in 2 devices.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I don't have ATG, 12A, FCRA I don't have. And payment gateway website I have, Facebook I have, YouTube I don't have.
Payment gateway.
Payment gateway also we don't have, sir.
Okay. So this is where the money comes.
Okay.
If this is not there, then
So what is that, sir, exactly the payment gateway means?
Payment gateway means, I will show you. So you got here
Yes, sir.
So I say donate now, Indian donors.
Okay.
Right. If you click here,
Okay.
now this is called payment gateway. Now when people, they just have to pay, click this.
Okay.
And people enter their name.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And then they go select the option here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then you see if you select the option,
Mm-hmm.
for 125 physically challenged, I take about 1,05,000 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
As donation amount. Okay. Supposing I do it, I need only for 60, then 52,000. Then I need for about, let's say 10,000. Right. You pay 10,000. So you can opt for whatever money that you want to pay.
Okay.
2,400 also you can pay. Okay. And then go to next. And here you give the details about PAN number and all those things. And then next, and then the money is paid. And money comes to our account. This is online donation will come this way only. This is called payment gateway.
So how to process for the...
Very simple. Very simple. There is something called InstaMojo. So I'll keep a separate lesson for that. Okay. That time I'll teach you about that. But right now, you need to have all these things. If you don't have, then you are handicapped. It is something like, you are now a sick person because your health is not good. So you need to become now healthy. If you have to become healthy, then all these things are very crucial for you.
Okay.
Okay, you already have a website. You already
Yes,
have a website. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We have a website.
And whoever did that website, that person can help you integrate this payment gateway.
Okay. Okay.
And
we don't have a ATG, but we applied it. They said like it will take 6 months of time to, because the people who applied for the last June, they didn't receive it.
That's okay. That's okay. You can now, for the time being, without ATG, you can you can operate, no problem. And this website person will be able to do it. Tell him that you want payment gateway of InstaMojo.
Okay, sir.
InstaMojo.
Mojo.
That's the one you ask for. It is very friendly, user friendly.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the first thing that is required.
Okay.
And I was telling that, now whatever I'm going to tell you in the next 3 days, I'm not going to talk to you about any government grants, right? Of any of those things. I'm going to talk only about digital fundraising, where without moving an inch from your house or from your office, NGO office, okay? Sitting at the comfort of your house, you can still raise money.
Okay.
Yeah. By using the digital platform. Okay. Now, why do you say digital platform? Now, before coming to this subject, first of all, I did it myself. I wanted to see whether I can succeed in this. And this is what now I'm going to now show you. Last time I did not show to some other people because some youngsters were there. Some 21-year-old girl and then 18-year-old girl were there. Hopefully they are not there this time. Let's see. Bhumika is there? Yeah, Bhumika is not there. Fine. So I can show very comfortably. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something which will probably surprise you and make you also feel happy that yes, this is possible. Seriously, I'm conducting now. I'll come later. This is my InstaMojo account. Susan, who is there with you, along with you?
Oh, she's my sister.
Okay. Arupji, good news for you.
Yes, going up.
Can you read somebody? You don't read.
I can-
Arupji, you don't read. I want
Okay.
others to read. Anilji, can you read this?
Yeah.
3 crore.
How much? How much is this?
Crores 93 lakhs. It is 3 crores 93
3
lakhs.
crores 93
3 crores 93 lakhs 48,359.
48,359.
Okay. This is my today. Today.
Oh,
Okay.
This is my today.
Okay.
This is my yesterday.
Oh.
This is my yesterday. Okay. This is this week. This week is Monday to
Saturday.
Monday to Saturday. No, today is Friday. Monday to
Ah.
Friday.
Monday
Okay.
to Friday.
This is this week. Okay. This is this month.
No.
I think last 30
Oh,
days
this month
we-
is what? Oh, this month is 1st of January. So I should not take it as this month. I should take it as last month. Yeah. This
10
is
lakhs,
last month.
10 lakh.
This is last
10
month.
lakh 65,784.
Correct. This is for the last 6 months. How much?
62 lakh
93,796.
93,796.
These are all during Corona period. Last 6
Oh.
months means Corona.
Yeah, March till March.
Okay. Now this year is again it is showing only January 2021.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last year.
Last year it is not showing. So you have seen that.
Yes.
Okay. So all this is what has actually changed his mind. Arup's mind turned the moment he saw this.
I saw 3 crores 39 lakhs. Today is 3 crores 93 lakhs.
Yes.
So it's gone up by 60 lakhs. I'm jealous. And I must go there.
Yeah. Wow. Great.
So this is what is possible. And I am there since last 9 years. But I am active in digital platform only in the last about I would say 2 to 3 years time. Okay, so I studied this when I was the first to come out with a tele-fundraising model. Okay, which is still continuing in my office. Tele-fundraising model in India. No one else had done that. Because I would very boldly say that because even Akshay Patra gave me consulting fee to learn about tele-fundraising. And the person who paid me that fee is from Calcutta. His name is Chamaria. Mr. Arup Sengupta knows him very well. In the sense, he may not know personally, but he knows about that person who is a very big shot in Calcutta. Okay, that man, just because I gave this idea, in 24 hours time, he transferred 5 lakhs to my account because I gave him this idea. I set up that concept for them. Today, Akshay Patra Foundation is earning crores of money because of that one model. They have several other models. They are very strong in digital. Okay, they are also very strong in international funding support. They are very strong in CSR funding. Okay, and apart from that, the individual donors funding increased for them only because of my one concept. That one concept gave them very good money. Okay. So this is possible for you also. So people, the people who are coming and complaining to me sometimes, I feel very, Mahesh was one person who said that, no, I do a lot of things, but, no donor is, wanting to come. No individual is wanting to come and give money. Nobody shows interest in giving money. Okay. So he has only seen that kind of people who are not contributors. But there are thousands and millions of people who are contributors. So you need to reach out to them. And if you reach out to them, then they are the people who will support you. What will impress them? What will impress them? Simply say that, go and say that I want money. If you say, they will not give you.
Yes.
Okay. Your activities are the ones which will give you money. If you come to my YouTube channel, there are more than 300 plus, videos which are available. Those 300 plus videos are giving confidence to the donors that this man is doing work. So I can give him boldly that money. He is not going to use it for his personal use. He will use it for the cause. So this belief has to come to the donor, which is precisely what now today Arup is doing. Arup, Ankush, what they are doing is, when the money comes in, they acknowledge saying that I've received this money. And when that money, when it is received, he spends that money in buying blankets. Okay. And if he pays salary out of that, he says that I have paid so much of salary, my salary bill of 1.5 lakhs is being met today because thank you very much to donors. He says that. And he very clearly, boldly, openly tells people that this is my spending and thank you very much. And all those activities are shown. So going to the shop, buying blankets is being shown, right? Putting in the transport is being shown. He is sitting on the transport backside, and a photograph of that is shown. He's sitting on that. Okay, that is being shown. Okay. Then he is lifting and going to some place. Okay, that is being shown. Videographed. Everything is being shown. This gives confidence to people. So when that confidence is given to the donors, they will pour money for you. One donor, one single donor has given him 12 lakhs in the last 5 months alone. Okay, one small request, I'll just come. Arup, in the meantime, we just talk about the activities that you have been doing and what made these people give you that regular donations. Or you should unmute and speak.
Yeah. Okay. See,
you should unmute and speak.
After I think I'm unmuted. Yeah. So after I came on the right path, I started doing things like I did not have a livelihood project. So I immediately started doing sewing machines with widows in Sundarban and with sex workers in Kolkata. And I started heavily advertising this on social media. Manoj Bajpayee and Soni Sood, they saw these activities and they are running an NGO called Shamik Sanman, where they are helping stranded people on roads, catch trains, catch buses. He's even bought people from Dubai paying the entire chartered flight. So they saw what I was doing and they put in 40 machines, right? I don't know them. I never knew them. They saw my work because my work is getting published by media and they gave me 40 machines. They have now asked me for a project of 1 crore. Just to say it in Hindi and then I'll come back into English. They said, yaar, aise koi project batao jo 1 crore hai, we'll get the money from the film stars. Because they tell the film stars to pump in money to an NGO called Shamik Sanman. And if you're on the web with me, I'll again send it to you all today, where, Manoj Bajpayee is telling the world that this is it. And it only came because after Sridhar pointed out what I should do and what I should not do, this thing. Shamik Salman put in 40 machines, and they want a project from me for 1 crore, and that's being worked on because Mr. Sridhar, one of his friends, is helping me in the crowdfunding piece. Over to you, Sridhar.
Thank you. Right. So coming back to what you need to do. This is the most important slide which you need to look into. So please take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. I'll just blow it up a little. Yeah. So this is the most important slide for you. Okay, can you just take a screenshot of all these things? If you're done, you tell me yes, then I'll
Yes,
move
sir.
on. You're done. Sharaf, have you taken this?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes.
Amrut,
Yes.
Done.
Anil Kumar, yeah, right. Now let me take you to that groups and show you. This is Facebook. Okay, we'll just go to philanthropist. Okay, just say philanthropist, and then there'll be a lot of groups coming in here. So can you see here 1.7K members?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you see Philanthropists of America? Philanthropists of America is about 5.2K members.
అక్కడ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయి, లేకపోతే పని చేయి, అమ్మి దగ్గర మెట్రో కార్డు తీసుకొని మెట్రోలోనికి వెళ్ళి. ఓకే, ఎట్లయినా 3 తీసుకుంటే అంతా అవుతుంది.
So Anil Kumar, this is very important slide, because if you miss out this, then you will find it difficult. Okay, pay attention here. So these are the groups that you need to go and join. You will find very useful groups. These are all. And there is something called NGO groups. So you can see here Funds NGO. Funds NGO has got 12,000 members. Okay. World NGO Helpline, 17,000 members. International Organization of UN Volunteers, 82,000 people, 82,000. All these people are in one group. And if you go and join that group, right, what can happen? You just imagine. Click this. And what is the joining formality? There'll be a button like this, join group. So you have to go there and join. So I'm now going to join there as No Hungry Child. Okay, they will ask some questions. Okay, why do you wish to join this group? You need to simply say, I want to learn and teach. Okay. Submitted. Now they will take little time in approving this, maybe 1 hour, maybe 1 day. They may take one hour or 1 day. Okay. So like this, if you join in all these groups, and if you go to their groups and see what is happening, let's go to some groups and see what happens. Yeah. You can see the kind of postings which are coming here. Nice ones. This will be seen, this group, donors will come and watch in this group. And they will see who are the people. Actually, the first 68,000 for Arup Sengupta came from this group. Am I correct, Arup?
Yeah.
So it came from this group. He posted it here and somebody saw, and then they came to his bank account and then parked that money. So people post here. And this is a very good medium. And there are nearly about, how many?
7,000, I think.
No, more than that. I think this is having about 2.2K, 2.2K members. Yeah, 2.2K members, good one. So you need to be present in such kind of groups. You know how many groups are there overall? 300 to 400 groups are there. And in this 300 to 400 groups, you must be present there. You must join all the groups. And this is precisely what Arup did on the same night. After this session got over, he went to his office. Then from there, he sat through till 12 in the midnight. He posted, he joined, first of all, he joined all the groups. A few posts he posted here and there and all that. Some 10-15 posts he has posted. Third day, he got 68,000 rupees. And he came running on his own and said that, Sridhar, I have good news for you. I don't know from where it came. 68,000 rupees has come to me. It is there parked in my bank account. So it was an amazing result for him. Within for 72 hours, he got that money. And from then onwards, I don't think there is any single day for him where he has not received money. I don't think he has not. I mean, there is not a single day. At least in a single day, it is bad days. I think he must have received some 1,000, 2,000 rupees. Bad
True,
days.
sir. True, sir.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah.
Yesterday I got 15,000.
Yeah. Every day he will get now. So you saw mine also, no? 47,000 today, yesterday 37,000. So that's how it comes. It comes like that. And it can increase also. Even it can go up beyond also, but we are restricting enough. This is enough for the time being. If I have to scale up also, no, because I'm answerable to donors. We are all answerable to donors. When they are giving money, they should know what we are doing. And once you accumulate one set of donors, they become regular. For me, I've got regular donors for the last 10 years also. Every month they will contribute. Some people are there every 3 months, they will keep on contributing. Some people are there every 6 months, they will contribute. And when they contribute 6 months and 1 year and all, contribution will be very big. And you have seen my donation price. There are people who have donated 1,02,251 rupees. One single shot payment. There are individual donors who have donated. Ludhiana, from Ludhiana and all, I've got money. Okay. One single payment, 1,02,000. And in fact, in my InstaMojo account, 1 lakh was the capping maximum. And because of one donor, I had to request InstaMojo to increase my limit from 1 lakh, and then he increased it to 2 lakhs then. After that, I started getting 1 lakh and above. Till then, my capping was only 1 lakh. So if somebody wants to donate 5 lakhs, they have to do 5 times if they want to use my InstaMojo. Okay, that's how it is. So that's for it today. Okay, tomorrow we will come with something new. Okay, for it today. So how was your first day session? Sharaf, Susan, Amrut, Anil.
Yeah, it was great. It was great. Like many new things we came to know, like which we were not following actually. Basically, NGO groups and all, we were not into those things. So
yeah, that's the biggest problem. Most of the NGOs don't know. They are there. Even Arup was there. He didn't know that he has to go and join there. Only after this session he came to know, and then he joined and he saw the result coming in. So these are some of the important groups. Don't ignore these groups. Go and join in all the 300 groups.
Sure, sure. Thanks.
Yeah, if you just go to NGO group, you will get NGO group, just put across, all the NGO groups will come. And if it will keep on coming, there's no ending. And as many groups as possible, you do. And quickly what Arup did was he put 3 college students on the job because he found out that it's a huge task. He alone cannot independently do that. So he quickly brought in 3 people and put them on the job. And that helped him after that. Now I think they are there with him. He's paying around 3,000 rupees or something for them as a
Yeah, they are
stipend.
mass communication students.
Students, yeah.
So those are part of their job.
Yeah, so they come after afternoon, they come and they do this job, and he's giving us, they're also not expecting that much, but he's on his own giving some money to them to do that. And they're very happy to share his posting. So every day morning he will post in 2-3 groups. And after that, they are being advised to share it with rest of the groups. And when it goes to different groups, from somewhere, some group, somebody keeps coming and keep donating him money. And now he's very confidently talking about 7 lakhs this month. Last November, he took a target of 10 lakhs. He achieved 13 lakhs. You can imagine the same person who was just getting 5 lakhs only in the last 1 year, full 12 months period. Now he's setting himself a target of 7 lakhs in one single month, 10 lakhs in one single month. So that is the confidence that he has got right now. Now he's boldly going and taking a project, bigger projects also, because he knows now he can get funds. Now that confidence level has gone up for him. Earlier he was hesitating. He was doing all sorts of things, but he was hesitating. But now confidently is going. So you can also do that. This is precisely what you should do. Okay. And tomorrow when you come, when we meet each other, please tell me that how many groups each one of you have been able to join tonight. Okay, between today and tomorrow. You got 24 hours still. So tomorrow at about 4:30 when we meet up, at least you should join about 100, 150 groups. First, you go and join. Okay, then let us see what needs to be communicated, what has to be posted there, how to post there, what next has to be done, right? All that I'll tell you tomorrow.
Okay.
So Susan, how was it today?
It's a wonderful knowledge about the platform, about NGO, sir. It's a great knowledge.
Right.
Very, very useful. We need to apply the same thing, what you said, and whatever we learned today. So definitely we need to post it.
Right. And I want you to study, notunjibon.com. Go to his Facebook page.
Can you repeat again, sir?
No, he will post it in the group. After this session, he will post his website. He will post his Facebook page, right? Just go and see all the activities that he has done. Just go and observe. Just observe. For 1 hour, just study what all he has done. Go through all his testimonials. And I will understand that you have gone and seen only if I see your likes and comments there. You should put your like and you should put your comments after seeing that. Then I will understand that you have gone through his page. Okay, because his page, if you go through, you will know what to do.
Which page, sir?
Arup Sengupta's page.
Okay.
He will post it in the group now. Okay, after this session, he will post it. He will post his link, right? Just go to his link, see his website, see his Facebook page, right? And in the Facebook page, there are various posts that he has put across. Okay. Also, you need to see Sanaya Foundation. Ankush also should post his link. He will also post his link. You see both their posts. Okay. You will get an idea how they are working, what kind of post they are posting and all that. You will get an idea. See that. Okay.
That also posted in the group, sir.
Yeah, he will. Yeah, Ankush will post it in the group. Ankush?
He's with us. He's with us.
Yes, sir.
Ankush, yeah. Yeah, Ankush, you also post your link and all. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
so that these people, new people see that. And I want you to comment and also like the page. Okay. That will give an indication that yes, you've gone through that. And that will give you a lot of learning for you. And from today, every single post that is being posted in the group, please watch it. Everybody's, okay, when they are saying that I have posted something and they are giving a link, go there and see. And after seeing, like or comment, because that is important, because tomorrow when you are going to put, you need these people's help. You need all these people's help. They will come to your page and they will start liking you. They will start putting comments, because Facebook likes a lot of engagement of a particular post. So when it likes that, what it does is it will then automatically make it viral.
Okay, sir.
Some of his likes, and he has got millions of likes, lakhs together. He has got likes also. Those are all very good things. Okay, that is how you are going to be digitally known. And the world, when they come to know, then money will start pouring from some corner or the other. Okay, right. So see you tomorrow at 4:30.
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye. Right.
Sir, good evening.
And-
Thank you.
Good evening, Daniel here.
yes, Daniel.
How are you, sir?
How are you?
Yeah, good. Thank you for inviting. Sir, I have 3 questions. Can I ask you now?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. One is you said about the Insta Mojo, Indian, how to do that, donors, how to get the money. But what about the international, how to get that? Can be possible to get the
Yeah,
connections?
PayPal account you have to open.
Acha, PayPal account. The
PayPal
second
account.
question is,
Yeah.
you said that every group you have to post it.
Yeah.
So in term of closed group, when we post only one, and when we are joined or will be connected with other groups, it automatically they can see it. Is that right, or how does it? Or
No.
every-
No,
No.
no, 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 no.
No, no,
No.
it's not like that.
No, no.
Okay.
no.
Each one
So
is
you
a
have to
different,
post.
see, each one is a different house.
Okay, we have to go and post it.
Yeah, you have to go and park yourself in their house.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, what about the No Hungry Child, the main organization name?
Ah.
If you have a project under that organization, if you have a different project and having a different name, can you make it as a group, and can you join with and connecting to the No Hungry Child as a main account or something like that? Is it possible?
No.
It's not like that. So you have to go with one ID and then
One
one
ID, yeah, one ID. and then-
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for addressing. Thank you so much.
Okay. So thank you all.
Arup Dada, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. God bless.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye. See you all
bye-bye. See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
See you all tomorrow. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.